Well, I'm an active person, and once my hips started the arthritis, the longer I stood on it or the longer I walked, the more painful it got. So I became totally sedentary. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't run the sweeper, I couldn't do anything. So after I got my stem cell injection, I went from pretty severe pain to no pain at all. Now, I do know it, my hip does talk to me and tells me that the problem is still there, but there's no pain. I'm just aware that that joint is there. I can now run the sweeper all over. Within 24 hours, it went from pain to no pain. And I can walk. I'm almost back to walking normally. Um,
Are you exercising?
I'm exercising, doing water aerobics on a one-to-one basis. As soon as this is over, which will be 4 weeks, 6 weeks, I will go into water aerobics for at least 2 to 3 times a week.
And why are you here today?
I'm here to get my knees done. Now that my hip is fixed, I want my knees to stop hurting too.